Hello internet family, Dan here from DansTube.TV, and today I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the Osmo Pocket in 90 seconds. The first thing is that the operating time is 140 minutes. That's when shooting 1080p at 30 frames per second. I was roughly getting 2 hours of operating time. I've been very happy with the battery performance and also how quick this little unit charges, although it is not a removable battery, so that is a downside for a lot of people. The Osmo Pocket can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, and this genuinely is a pocket camera. It only weighs 116 grams and it can fit comfortably in any pocket. Boot up time on this unit is also ridiculously fast. It only takes about 5 seconds to have the camera operating ready to shoot. I'm also extremely impressed with how responsive the touchscreen is on the Osmo Pocket. I found myself using the touchscreen for everything and I very rarely connected my phone. I found the connection point for the phone a little bit risky and I actually prefer just using the screen on the Osmo Pocket. It's extremely responsive and you can change resolution, modes, and control autofocus and active track as well. The max video bitrate is 100 megabits per second, and the field of view is 80 degrees, so you get a relatively wide field of view. The Osmo Pocket offers a variety of features, including photo capabilities, video capabilities. You have a slow motion mode, which is fantastic and extremely crisp. You have time-lapse, motion-lapse, and panorama options as well. And all of this is packaged into something that's only slightly bigger than a lighter. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.